Hello, in this tutorial our topics are who is an estimator, importance of estimation, data required for estimation. So let's get started. Estimator is a person who calculates the amount of materials needed for building work, road work, or it could be any project and how much they will cost. Next one is importance of estimation, and importance is before starting any project we can know about the cost of the project. This is the first advantage. And the second one is based on this we can compare our budget with the cost required for a project, and we can only get benefit from a project if it will complete, otherwise it is a wastage of money. Okay, so next one is data that we require for estimate. So we need drawing, second specification, third rates. Okay, for estimate we need drawing, specification and rates. So let's see what is drawing. From drawing we can just get length, breadth and the height of different part of a project. For example, we are just going to find out a excavation for a building work. So in that case, to find out a quantity of excavation, what we need length, breadth and the depth of the excavation. So all of these details we can just get from the drawings. Now the next is type of drawings for estimate. So for estimate we need plan, we need section and we need elevation as well. So let's see what is plan. From plan, we'll get length and breadth of the object. So what we will get from the plan? We'll get length and the breadth of the object. For example, we have just this two-room plan, and from here we can just get length of this project and the breadth of this project. Okay, so simply we can get just length and the breadth from the plan. Now the second one here is section. So in section we can see length or breadth and height and the material of the object as well. So there are two kinds of section. One is called as cross section and another is called as long section. And a cross section will be equal to breadth into height. So from cross section we can just get the breadth of the object and the height of the object as well as material that will be used there. And in long section we can just get length of the object and the height of the object. For example, here you can see we have just cross section along width. This is called as cross section. Okay, and here we have just long section along length. This is called as long section. Okay, so let's see what detail we can get from here. Okay, here you can see this is cross section at A. You can see over here we have just cross section A at over here. Okay, so from here we can just see the detail of foundation. Okay, here DPC, here brickwork in wall, and we have just slab on the top, and with that we can just get the breadth and the height as well. And in long section we can just get the length. You can see over here we have just a length over here of this room. Okay, and then we can just get height as well. With that we can just see the foundation and the material that will be used in the foundation, and a DPC over here, here floor, you can see here brick wall, and with that we have just slab on the top. So this is how we can just get different kind of things from plan and the section. Now the next here is elevation, and elevation is basically a view. The view from the front and the side are called as elevation. Okay, so here you can see I have just front elevation of this room. Okay, so in this case what we can view from the front, we can just view here the door, these two doors and this wall here. Okay, so here you can see we have just this wall over here and these two doors over here as well. Now these were three different parts of drawing, that is plan, section and elevation. So you must know about these: what is plan, what is section and what is elevation if you want to become a estimator. Now the next thing here is we need specification. So what is specification? Specification describe the nature and the class of the work, material to be used in work, workmanship, etc. And it is very important for the execution of the work. The cost of work depend much on specifications, and specification should be clear. Now let me just give you example over here. In drawing we have only size of doors mentioned. Okay, but this detail will not be there, that which kind of wood we are using for that particular door, because there are many kinds of wood that are available in market. So this detail we can get from specification. Hope you understand specification. Now the next and the last thing over here is rates. For estimating purpose, we need material rate, labor rate, carriage rate as well, okay? So these rates should be real as per market rates. There are different government departments which have their own schedule of rates. For example, we have here PWD, MES and FWO. So this is all about this session. Hope you understand this session. We'll see you in the next.